So where's your time go? You spend it with the ones you love, or are you spending hours every day working, writing, sharing, promoting, getting nowhere? You know something's missing, so let's do something about it. Below you'll see 3 buttons. First comes my training walkthrough. This is where you'll begin learning by a step-by-step process on how to establish yourself as a brand, find free tools online I'm going to help you set up, and show you how to begin making money with your talent. Second, I, Mr. Therapy, are going to teach you face-to-face 3 days a week and answer your questions live to give you new, helpful knowledge that you'll be able to start using on the spot. And third, which is very important, how you can join the team and be a part of building the platform that's going to change how people build their career in the music business. Below that, you'll hear from some people that will tell you the value they've gotten from my free training on rules of the game and why they want to see the Peak Performance Network become a reality. If you're really serious about your career in the music industry and the price to join is free, then the only excuse you have left is you aren't ready.